She's not mad at you. She feels sorry for you. Sorry that you never learned how to treat people right. Sorry that you push away the ones who actually care. She used to take disrespect personally, used to wonder what she did wrong. But now she sees the truth. It was never about her. It was about you, your ego, your immaturity, your inability to value what you had. She doesn't hold grudges, doesn't seek revenge, doesn't waste her energy on anger. She simply moves on, leaving you behind to deal with the mess you created. One day, you'll realize what you lost. One day, you'll wish you had done better. But by then, she'll be too far gone, too happy, too healed to ever look back. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind, and don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.